My dear students, today we are going to learn 11 number lesson of English grammar from step by step book. 11 number lesson comprehension we are going to learn. So there is one story and we want to learn that story, and depend upon that story there are some questions, and that questions answer we want to give, and we want to solve some grammatical exercise. Read the following passage and answer the questions given below. That is the question. So look at the picture, and all full story is depend on this picture, and let us going to learn the story. There was once merchant who lost his wealth. There was one merchant and he lost all his money, his wealth, so his business and also all his friends, and he lost his business also and all his friends also. His friends didn't want him now as he was poor, and his friend also get tired of his unsuccessful nature, and they also want to that merchant should become rich person again. Then one night the merchant had a dream, and one night the merchant, you can look in the picture also, that person is a merchant, and one night when he was slept, that time he looked one dream. In the dream he saw a holy man, a monk, and one night he was slept. At that time he looked one monk, that priest is called monk, and that monk, the monk said to merchant, I will visit you tomorrow. I will come tomorrow when you are awake and reward you. And when you will awake tomorrow, and when I will come, then I will give you reward, any prize, anything to him. All your life you have been a good person. So that monk said in the dream, you are the good person in your full life. So as soon as you see me tomorrow. And that monk said in the dream, you will see me tomorrow very soon. Take a stick and hit me on the head. That monk said to merchant, take one stick and hit me on my head. Like that monk said to merchant, then and I will turn into gold. And that monk said, when you will hit me on my head with the stick, then I will turn into the gold. Then you will be rich again, and then you will become rich again one time. The next day, merchant remembered the dream he had, and next day when merchant wake up, that time he remembered that dream. He thought the monk was not real, and he thought that monk was not real, it is just a common dream. It was only a dream. Later in the day, when a barber was cutting his hair, and next day he was cutting his hair by the barber, then a monk really come to visit the merchant, and really that merchant saw the monk who is coming out of the barber shop. He then took a stick and did what the monk had told him in his dream. And whatever in his dream, monk said to him, take a stick and hit on my head. So just like he also did same, he took one stick and he hit on the monk's head. The barber was shocked and surprised to see the monk turn to gold. So the barber shocked that monk really become human being to golden person, and it is become a real gold. The merchant gave the poor barber a piece of gold as he felt sorry for him, and that merchant has given small piece of gold for sorry for him, and he went off. The barber, however, wanted more gold, so barber also thought that he hit the stick on the monk's head, then he was turned into gold. So he planned and plotted. That barber also made plan. The next day he invited some monks for lunch and started hitting them on the head. So he called some monks in his house to feast for lunch, but he hit with the stick on themselves head, but nothing happened, any result he got. He did not look any monk become gold. The monk escaped and complained to the king, and all the monks, they had gone to the king and they had done complaint against the barber. He was soon caught and sentenced to many years in prisons, and that barber was gone behind of the prison for many years. So that is a story about. You can look in the picture how that merchant hit with the stick to this monk, and their barber here who is looking while he is doing the same thing, and that barber had done again same thing with this monk. Depend upon that small story, we are going to learn that question. What did the merchant see in this dream? So first question's answer, I have done tick mark here. In the dream he saw a holy man, a monk. The monk said to him, I will visit you tomorrow when you are awake and reward you. Like this is the first question's answer. Then second number question, what did merchant do when the monk come to visit him? So that answer also I have done tick mark for you. That is a second number answer. Take a stick and hit him. You want to use instead of me, him on the head of he. Here is I, instead of that you can write he will turn into gold. Third number question, what did the barber do the next day? Answer is of the next day he invited some monks for lunch and started hitting them on the head, but nothing happened. And fourth number answer also you can look at the last line. Fourth number, what happened to the barber and why? The answer is the monks escaped and complained to the king. He was caught and sentenced to the many years in the prison. Fifth number, give the opposite of these words. Lost, find, awake, asleep, reward, punish, real, fake. That is the opposite words. Next, grammar part. First, recognize the following nouns and write M for masculine gender, C for common gender, and N for neuter gender in the given box. So first A, person is a common gender, so we have written here in the box C. B, stick, it is a neuter, means there is no any gender identify, that is not male or female, so it is a neuter. Friend, we are just commonly say for girls, boys, and it is a common word, so it is a common gender. Then monk, for male priest we are saying monk, so it is a male. King also, king and queen, in that king is a male, so it is a M in the box. Next, here have no gender, so it is a neuter, so we can use here as a neuter. Then second number, underline the pronouns. Here first, his friend didn't want him now as he was poor. His and him and he is a pronoun. All your life you were a good person. Your and you is a pronoun. And C, take a stick and hit me on the head and I will turn into coal. So me and I is a pronoun. So we have done underline for the pronoun in the sentence. So here our 11 number lesson about comprehension is over. So you have to write it in the book properly, that all the answers, and write in the notebook also. Thank you. Have a nice day.